perfect start for Zalmi. Two very quick wickets, runs on the board, they are in control. More problems for Karachi.
Sahibzada Farhan knows exactly what's required in this time. They're trying to get started, wants to play the shots, just trying to help that over the bowler's head. Doesn't quite get it straight enough. Picks out mid-on.
रावलपिंडी से दरअसल टेस्ट सीरीज शुरू होगी। कराची दूसरे टेस्ट मैच की मेजबानी करेगा और लाहौर तीसरा और आखिरी मुकाबला होगा। आज बॉलिंग दोनों ही टीमों की जानिब से अच्छी देखने को मिली है, लेकिन
That is a big wicket. What a terrific delivery to come back.
Seems like that he's been around for a long time. Watch that lovely delivery. Just pitched, gripped and hit the off stump.
On the bowling front, but that to control that ball.
Cries of catcher, and it could be out. Is out. It's another one down. He's got a couple of wickets in just 3 balls. W, a naught and a W. Wow.
This might be the game. This might be curtains for Karachi. Ordinary cricket played by Karachi. Not at any time they looked like they were threatening them, and Imad Wasim was angry and wanted to hit it over the top. No chance. Bahab Riaz, safe hands.